Welcome to Our Life Simplified. I'm Laura, and Todd is my husband. On this channel, we share our journey of transforming our 5-acre property into a Tuscany-inspired mini-homestead and peaceful outdoor oasis. From DIY builds and garden projects, to raising chickens and culinary adventures, including cooking, baking, and grilling, and everything in between. We are creating a space that's both functional and charming, one intentional step at a time. Welcome to our home. The oven just went off and I just took out my Homestead Breakfast Pastry. I basically used everything that we have here, using the measurements that feel good to me. While this is cooling, I'm going to show you how I made this. We started with the spicy sausage from deer. This was the deer that Todd made. He made it from scratch here at home. I added 4 eggs, some seasonings. The seasonings were the homemade SPG that we make here, as well as some Greek seasoning that we had. I also added some wine. I added some cheddar cheese. I cooked all of that together, and once that mix was completely cooked, I went ahead and I started on my puff pastry. I unwrapped it, I rolled it out, I layered it down the center with some cheddar cheese. Then I added the mix that I just cooked in the pan. I added another layer of cheese. And before I closed it up, I went ahead and I added some of the homemade honey jalapeno pepper sauce that Todd made. Then I folded the sides in of the puff pastry to enclose that breakfast mix. I brushed it with a little bit of an egg wash. I topped it with some leftover chopped candied cinnamon pecans, again, that we made from scratch. And that was left over from our tea party that we had. Then I baked in a preheated 450-degree Fahrenheit oven for approximately 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and let this cool, and then I'll give it a taste test. And I'll let you know if I'll be making this again or not. I made my homemade breakfast pastry basically using everything we have in the pantry, in the fridge, or anything that we made homemade, and using measurements that feel good to me. Look how beautiful this is. Let's go ahead and cut into this. Look at that. This looks and smells amazing. This is now cooled for probably about 15 minutes or so. I'm gonna go ahead and get a slice and see what this tastes like. Gotta make sure it's good before Todd tastes it. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh, my goodness. This is probably the best breakfast casserole or breakfast anything that I've ever made. I'm not even joking. I used to make breakfast casseroles with like fried potatoes at the bottom and then mixing up my ingredients like eggs and sausage and filling it over the top and cheese and baking it, which that is very good too. But this is super, super good. So if you're looking for some type of a breakfast dish to make, especially to serve several people, I'm gonna guess this probably can serve at least maybe 5 people and fill the person up. So if you like all these ingredients that I just mentioned, you've got to give this a try. Let me know if you try it and what you think of it. There is a little bit of kick to this because there was a spicy sausage in it, but oh man, this is so good. I think Todd's really gonna like it. Let me see if I can get his reaction. Okay, so we're getting Todd's first time tasting this reaction.
That's good.
So I'm calling this the Homestead Breakfast Pastry, basically using everything that is in our pantry, things that we've made from scratch, and things that we were using up. So what do you think? Is this something I should make again?
Yeah.
All right, let me know what you think. And until next time, thank you for watching.